So what we know so far that sometime after 3 today, citizens reportedly hearing explosions in the area, and they made some checks sometime after 5 where they saw the bodies of 3 individuals from their community and alerted the police. On arrival, the police saw the bodies of 3 individuals, 2 males and a female. From all indication, they are family. It must appear to be a mother, a father and a son. The son has been identified as a 16-year-old student, Orlando Wellington of the Innswood High School in St. Catherine. Both parents, one work at an auto parts place in Spanish Town and the other work as a cashier at a supermarket.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Country girl, big up yourself even though you not talk to me, I don't know. And me have another friend named Arizona Boss. Big up yourself, Arizona Boss, although you not talk to me, I don't know. Now, I want to talk about this for a little bit. Me feel like the Jamaican police, them did a damn good job in getting rid of this culprit who killed off the family. There's a couple different things where would I like to see the police them work on when it comes to them operation. Now, we would have liked to see video camera on the police them. You understand? And the boy with name Chang and the justice minister made some excuse about video cameras and the police and this and that about equipment, and we know that's bullshit. So, would have liked to see the actual raid, and we would have liked to see the actual finding where them say them find gun and them thing there. You understand? Because the Jamaican police, we have problem with the police for the last, how many years? 60 years since we get independence. You understand? 60 whatever years. We have problem with the credibility with the police. Because you see a demonstration right now is going on in Western Kingston, Denham Town. Them say the police killed a person in a screwed up way. But, not straight from the point. The Jamaican police did a damn good job and they have to give credit where credit due. Now, I don't care what these people did. You understand? This little waste man have no right to take the people, the whole family life. The man wipe out an entire 3 generations, you know, mother, father and a 16-year-old kid. You understand? And the police them in a Jamaica comparing to the Caribbean. I'm telling you guys this right now. You see, Jamaican police, when it comes to intelligence and moving towards certain bad boy, that's what Jamaican police have over the rest of the Caribbean police them. You understand? Cause with Jamaican police, you know, them no back. You have corrupt police now, you know. But one thing with the Jamaican police, you see, if you are a bad boy and a killer of innocent people and them have your name, listen, them a come for you. And you have to turn in yourself. I saw Jamaican police flex. So, once again, may I say, with this thing, big up to the Jamaican police. Them did a good job on the one, yeah. Me nah lie. Move quick, fast. You understand? Like, I would like to see a couple things change, or quite a few things change with the police. But, like me say, you know, we have a country to run, and we have to have civility within the country. We can't have anarchy where the dons them a kill off people or whatever, and people are kill off people. One thing I kind of notice, this is a little bit in the subject and off the subject, because I'm still speaking on crime. One thing I do notice with Jamaica right now, there is a lot of sexual crimes against women and kids. And I've even noticed there's an uptick in domestic violence with even older folks. Yeah, 70 and 80-year-old man kill off his wife and the helper. And the government needs to address things like these. I could keep on going on and on. We know that these governments that run these Caribbean countries are holding us back in a lot of ways. A lot of these governments, they have property abroad and they lived in America, Canada, England, first world countries, where they know what it takes to make a country productive economically and other ways. But are they taking the steps to do these things? No, they're not. One such country, which is the poster boy for this, is Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica, and you know, I'm gonna even say St. Vincent, St. Lucia, the rest of the country, them, the government, them is so damn corrupt. With that said, we have to keep the fire burning on Jamaica first, country first, and me I go call out police, thief, me I call out anybody, and that's what my platform is for. A lot of people probably don't like what countryman do, but I have to do my job. I am not answering to anybody but the Almighty Father, and there have to be a voice for the people them, you understand? And the helpless, the less fortunate. And yeah, countryman do it with an edge, because I am not, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm not politically correct. I will bust my gun. If a pussy run up on me, them I will get some bullet. Remember me tell you, and me drop your body off at the police station. You understand? Cause I know what to tell the police. So don't threaten me. That's what I'm telling people. With that said, let me calm down. Yeah, good work, Jamaican police. And yeah, keep up the good work. Shove them out. Shove out the dirty criminal them. We are kill off innocent people. That's one thing me hate. You understand? Listen, leave on the comments and let me know what's up. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace. I'm out.